So here's my video about upgrading my military angle head flashlight. I was looking on YouTube and I really couldn't quite find a video on how to just simply upgrade my old military flashlight to an LED flashlight. So after I looked at some of the videos there, and I noticed some elaborate modifications on how to update this simple flashlight, I decided that I'd give it a shot and see what I can do. So I went to eBay and I located the maglite upgrade for the maglite, and this is the one I chose to upgrade the angle head. I chose the Night Eyes 1 watt LED upgrade bulb, and I simply put it inside my angle head flashlight. No big deal. Easy to do. There it is. I put it in there, and it works fabulous. It just works really good. My expectations are completely satisfied on this modification. And it works really good. It gives off a lot of light. As you can see, I got the lights on inside the house, but it works really good. Look at that. And at night it's even better. It's probably about, at least I'm thinking it's probably 100 lumens, this bulb. So nothing to worry about. It's more light than you ever need on this flashlight. I'm very satisfied with it. I put a spare bulb in the bottom. It's also an LED light, but it's the 30 lumen bulb. So in case you know, I want to save more battery, I could switch bulbs. And it's also a bulb that I got off of eBay. It's less expensive than this one because this one's like $15, and I think the one I got in there is like $8. And that's my military flashlight mod. It's not really a mod, it's just an upgrade, I think.